Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel, or if you're new here, it's great to have you. I'm super excited to dive into today's video. Make sure to hit that like button and subscribe so you don't miss out on any of our future content. So you want how to send pictures as snaps on Snapchat. I'm going to explain this very simply step by step so don't miss a single step. And at the end of the video, you will know exactly how to do that. Open Snapchat. Click on the filter search icon to the bottom right. Type green on the top search bar. Choose this template. Choose your image. And click the shutter button. You can also add text if you want. Click Send to. Select a friend and send this image. Now, your image will be sent as a snap instead of an image. Thanks for watching, and see you next video.